All right, day 6 of Challenge 40. So here we go. Friday, August 7th. The first three human kings over the children of Israel, Saul, David, and Solomon, each ruled for 40 years. After the United Kingdom split into two separate pieces, King Joash served 40 official years as one of Judah's better kings. Abraham tried to bargain with God not to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah if 40 righteous people were found. Both Isaac and Esau were 40 years old when they were first married. God flooded the earth by having it rain for 40 days and nights. After the patriarch Jacob died in Egypt, the Egyptians spent 40 days embalming his body. Day 6 of the Challenge 40. Whatever's on your heart, my challenge to you is to pray for 40 days and 40 nights. Get back to me with what happens if you take this challenge. Those who've been following along obviously already know that. I would challenge you today to find something to be grateful for. Be in present mind with the Lord today. Slow down, take in his presence, take a look around you, find something to be grateful for to the Lord. I hope your day is a pleasant one. Take care.